Okay, problem set 2. The first problem is write the numbers in P upon Q form. You know P upon Q form, we had done recurring numbers. The numbers which are recurring, we use that many number of zeros, multiply with 10, multiply with 100 or multiply with 1000. These are the three kind of examples we have seen in the practice set before. Okay, now let's take the first problem. It is 0.555. Okay, they have not said 0.5 recurring, they said 0.555. This is not an irrational number or a recurring number. So just see, solve करायची पद्धत सेमच आहे, it's exactly the same, just a slight difference. Okay, since 5 is the only number that is repeating, can you see this clearly? एक second. Since 5 is the only number which is repeating after decimal point, therefore पहिला step आपला, let x is equal to 0.555. Here we have digit 5. Is not recurring. Okay, आपण स्टेटमेंट काय लिहायचो रिकरिंग मध्ये, when we have a number 0.5 बार असेल वरती तो it is recurring. Okay, here no bar, recurring चा बारच नाही आहे इथे. So this is a fixed number, is not recurring. Therefore इथे तुमच्यासाठी हे लिहिलेलं आहे मी. Look the question carefully before you shoot your solution process. Okay, easy आहे म्हणून पटापट सुरू नाही करायचं. Look at the problem first. It is a non-recurring number. Okay, therefore 0.555 is equal to, solution starts from here. First step, let x is equal to 0.555. Therefore what we'll do, we have already, I have written that particular statement up, so I will not repeat it now. You have to write, since 5 is the only digit which is repeating, okay, after decimal point there are three numbers after decimal point, hence we will multiply numerator and denominator with 1000, कारण 3 पॉइंट आपल्याला पुढे आणायचं आहे त्याला. decimal we have to shift decimal 3 digits towards the right, multiply with 1000. So we get our second equation. The second equation becomes 1000 x is equal to 555. Multiplying numerator and denominator with 1000. Okay, now here we have to write this particular thing which has not come in the previous problems. We are writing 0.555, our question, upon 1. Okay, into 1000 upon 1000, multiply numerator and denominator with 1000 upon 1000. What we get is 555 upon 1000. Now if we factorize this, 5 into 111 upon 5 into 200, 5 cancel, answer is 111 upon 200. Clear? This is your answer. Look at this particular problem and solve this problem amicably. घाई करू नका, शांतीने करा. Okay, चलो. I hope it's pretty clear. Still short दिलंय तुम्हाला. You can pause the video and copy it down. Okay, let's move to the next one. Second problem is, we have 29.568. Okay, 29.568. First step will be x is equal to 29.568. Okay, what do you mean by 0.568? In case you might have forgotten, for your, just to refresh your memory, I have written it in this way. X is equal to 29.568, 568, 568, 568. That means only three numbers 5, 6 and 8 are getting repeated after the decimal point. Therefore multiply equation 1 both sides with 1000. We get 1000x is equal to 29568.568 recurring. Okay, this becomes our equation 2. Then subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. Equation 1 छोटा है, 1x है, इथे 1000x है. So we'll multiply, we'll minus equation 1 from equation 2. What we will get? 1000x minus x is equal to 29.568 minus what was the original value of x minus 29.568. Okay, we get 999, x is equal to 29539. कसा आलं हे बघून घ्या. Watch carefully. 568 recurring cancel. Then we have here the subtraction सुद्धा एक्सप्लेन करावं लागेल का. ओके, 8 मधून 9 मायनस, यू कांट मायनस 9 फ्रॉम 8, सो बोरो, कॅरी फॉरवर्ड बोलू नका, बोरो आहे बोरो. यूज द टर्म्स करेक्टली. 6, you borrow 1, 6 becomes 5, write 5 first, then 1 comes here, this becomes 18. 9 minus 18, you get 9. 5 minus 2, you get 3. 5 minus 0, as it is 5. 9 as it is, 2 as it is. So we get 29539.00. Okay. So this is irrespectively 0.000 is meaningless. So we'll write the answer as 999 is equal to 29,539. Therefore x is equal to 29,539 divided by 999. Okay, this is your final answer. Now come here, point number 3, x. Problem number 3, x is equal to 9.315315. Again 3 numbers are getting repeated. Your statement, accordingly you have to write the statement. Only 3 numbers repeating. इथे 5 6 8 होता, you will write 3 1 5 are repeating. So we will multiply the equation both sides with 1000. Simultaneously, if you look at the problem number 4 and 5, it's exactly the same. Here 357.417 recurring in the sense 417 repeat होतो है. So only 3 numbers 417 are repeating, so we'll multiply this equation both sides with 1000. So exactly the same, x is equal to, last problem what we have is 30.219. Okay, how many numbers repeating? 3, 2, 1 and 9 are the only 3 numbers which are repeating after decimal point. This will be your statement and you will proceed with the solution as it is. Okay, सेम टू सेम प्रॉब्लेम आहे, म्हणून आपण टाइम वेस्ट करत नाही आहे. तुम्हाला किती समजलं हे मला कळून घ्यायचं आहे. पार्थ अँड हर्षदा, these 3 problems you are going to solve it on your own. आणि सॉल्व केल्यानंतर त्या पर्टिक्युलर पेजचा सोल्युशनचा फोटो क्लिक करा आणि टेलिग्रामवर टाका मला, ग्रुपवरती मला चेक करायचं आहे. आणि नाही आलं ना, मी ऑनलाईन हे ट्युशन तुमचं बंदच करून टाकणार. When I say you have to solve some problem and give me solve and show me your homework, you have to show me the homework, that's it. बोलायचं तुम्हाला परिणाम होत नाही तुमच्यावरती, म्हणून तुम्हाला रायटिंगमध्ये देतोय मी. प्रॉब्लेम नंबर 3, 4 and 5 are exactly same as problem number 2. Students are required to solve the problem 3, 4 and 5 on their own, following the steps as given in the solution of problem 2. Okay, chalo. So we start with the next problem, that is, there are some 5 to 6 problems in this. Okay, ये हम लोग ने 2.2 में नहीं किया था, तो जाहिर है मैं अभी भी नहीं करूँगा. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू दिस फॉर यू. You have to solve this particular problem on your own because this is basic division. Problem number 3 is just convert the given fraction into decimal form. जे डिवाइड दिलेला आहे तुम्हाला नंबर, ते डिवाइडला तुम्ही डिवाइड करा आणि डिव्हिजन करून you have to write the quotient answer. Okay, hence all 5 sums, this is also, all these 5 sums are your homework. So what you have to do is those 3 sums and these 5 sums, total 8 sums, you have to solve it in your book, and that particular solution, all the 8 photographs I want it on Telegram immediately. Okay, chalo, I'll move to problem number 4. Now, do you remember the problem? Prove that so and so number is an irrational number. I gave you a very good example. Let us prove that Parth is a girl, Parth is a boy, Harshada is a girl. असे फनी एक्झाम्पल घेतलेलं मी तुम्हाला ऑलरेडी. ओके, सेम मेथड तुम्हाला फॉलो करायचं आहे. गर्ल आणि बॉयचं नाही, नंबरबद्दल जे बोलतोय मी. ओके, Solution. Let us assume that now this is an irrational number, we know already because it's a root sign with a prime number as a radicand. So it is automatically irrational number. याचे factors होऊ शकत नाही. But we have to prove it, and for proving it we have to take the assumption exactly the opposite. So let us assume that 5 plus root 7 is a rational number such that 5 plus root 7 is equal to p upon q, where q is not equal to 0 and both p and q are prime numbers. Okay, when a fraction is reduced to the lowest form, automatically it ends up into some prime number only. If it's a rational number, it ends up as a prime number. Okay, now q is equal to 0. This is very important, you have to write, because if q is not equal to 0 and you forget to write that, if q becomes 0 in a given fraction, then that particular answer is not defined, value is not defined if the denominator is 0. Now both p and q are co-prime number. Okay, so let's see. From the above assumption we have 5 plus root 7 is equal to p upon q. Therefore root 7 is equal to p upon q minus 5. Okay, a rational number p upon q minus 5, again rational number madhun minus scalar another rational number. The answer whatever we will be getting will again be a rational number only. Okay, मी का लिहिलं आहे नॉट पॉसिबल, बिकॉज इथे एक्सप्लेनेशन आहे. आता मी जे बोललो तुम्हाला ते लिहायचं आहे. सिन्स p and q are integers, therefore p upon q is a rational number, then p upon q minus 5 will also be a rational number. But root 7 is also a rational number only. Okay, third line मध्ये. But root 7 number on the left hand side is an irrational number. Okay, therefore ये most important है, ये लिहायचं आहे. I'll circle this for you. Therefore left hand side not equal to right hand side. Hence our assumption of 5 plus root 7 is a rational number is wrong. Wrong, incorrect, not possible. जे word use करायचा word use करा. Okay, I don't want irrelevant and insignificant doubts. Sir, स्कूल का टीचर ने हमारे को रॉन्ग नहीं इनकरेक्ट बोला है लिखने के लिए. अरे कुछ भी लिखो, आयडिया समझ में आना चाहिए. बराबर. असे सिली एक्सक्यूजेस 8वी पर्यंत मी ऐकले. आता तुम्ही 9th मध्ये. आय एम नॉट गोइंग टू लिसन दिस सिली एक्सक्यूजेस. इनसिग्निफिकंट क्वेरीज तर अजिबात नको मला 9th मध्ये. Therefore hence it is proved 5 plus root 7 is a rational number. Here our problem ends. Okay, lucky that we have only one number now to prove that it is a rational number. Steps you know already. Okay, you have a still shot over here. Just pause the video and copy it. Pause the video and copy this also. Okay, chalo. Now the next problem is problem number 5, which is again simplify the given surds. Simplify करायचं आहे. How we simplify equation? When we have a particular fraction, simplify the fractions, we reduce it to the lowest form. Simplify मध्ये आपण काय करतो? We reduce the radicand. Radicand is the number which is under the root sign. Okay, इथे root 8 लिहिलं आहे, so 8 is called the radicand. Why? Because it is sitting under the root sign. We have to reduce to the lowest form. Okay, the first example 3 upon 4 as it is, root of 8. 8 will be 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, 2 and 2, one pair possible, so 1 2 will come outside. This becomes 3 upon 4 into 2 root 2. Again 2 and 4 cancel, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. The final answer what we get is 3 upon 2 root 2. This is your final answer. Okay, we have just one more problem. Let's take it this way. Minus 5 upon 9. Don't worry about the numbers or the negative sign. We have to solve only the radicands. Okay, root of 45. What is root of 45? Minus 5 upon 9 into root 9 into 5. Okay, what is 9 again? 9 again is 3 3s are. Now one pair is possible, so 3 will come out. Okay, 3 comes out here, 3 root 5. 5 upon 9 as it is. Now 3 ones are 3, 3s are. So this becomes minus 5 upon 3 root 3. You can also write it as minus 5 root 3 upon 3. This is your final answer. Okay. हा व्हिडिओ जरा जास्तच मोठा झालेला आहे. विल कंटिन्यू द नेक्स्ट.